Here, the Dow was down 68 points when we closed yesterday. Look at that day in trading. We started off up, and then something happened in the middle of the day. Telling us maybe why that happened is Doug Emmett from Ameriprise Financial, who joins us on the red couch this morning. Doug, things went well and then south.
Good morning. Yes, we ran into a bit of, I don't want to get too technical, but the markets ran into a bit of a ceiling there halfway through the day in terms of technical. You hear the fundamentals and technicals.
A technical ceiling.
A technical pullback is what we call it in the industry.
We don't need to know more. Doug.
No, you don't need to know more than that.
Let's talk about what's coming. Toll Brothers, I'm supposed to know who they are, and I don't. They're big. They're heavy hitters.
Toll Brothers is a big home builder, and why this is important. Later today, we have existing home sales that'll be out. That's homes that are on the market, that are built and on the market. Right. We're going to find out how those sales are going. But Toll Brothers is an actual home builder, luxury home builder. The average price of the homes that they sell over $500,000.
Oh,
so
okay.
We're talking big, and in 50 markets in 19 states. So they're not totally across the country. But what they had to say was that sales were up huge, over 40%.
Well, that's good news.
Their backlog is up over 40%.
Wow.
And the CEO says it's the strongest demand he's seen in over 5 years.
Wow. You know, it's completely anecdotal, but a real good friend of ours just got a job, construction supervisor, new home construction.
Wow.
Yeah.
So why is this important to folks out there? Because it gives you an indication of a recovery that might be starting to happen.
Yeah, it sure
It's
does.
going to be a leading indicator of a recovery. Okay.
Exactly.
Good.
All right, and as we continue to look at earnings reports, Dell Computers, they've just released numbers.
Right, and you know, Dell is still relevant, still important. Everybody may have a Dell. They might, you know, I know the Apple is the big name out there, but Dell is still a huge player
I'm clicking on a Dell right
in the
here.
PC market.
Yeah.
Thank you, but the PC market is becoming more like a TV market, where it's more of a commodity. There's very little money to be made, low margins, and Dell is seeing that. They've seen that train coming for a long time, and they're trying to transition. While they had a good quarter, they guided lower for the rest of the year.
Okay.
So they're trying to transition that business to more of an IBM model.
Oh.
Is what they're trying to do.
What are we looking at tomorrow when you show up?
Tomorrow we're taking a look at, well, we've got earnings out from Hewlett-Packard, out later this afternoon. Tilly's, teen retailer, who I know my wife just spent lots of money there before back to school.
Got
yeah,
it.
exactly, and jobless claims.
Okay, and HP still hits close to home for those of us in the Sacramento area. So, all right, thanks, Doug. We appreciate it. If you have any questions for Doug Emmett, send an email. The address is money@fox40.com, and he'll get right back to you.
And here's Sheldon Norvis in the Atlantis Reno traffic.